Navy Signal World presents the USS Abraham Lincoln CVN-72 2026 Future Concept, a towering embodiment of American naval evolution and technological ambition. As the United States continues to redefine its role in global maritime strategy, the Abraham Lincoln stands as a fully transformed supercarrier that no longer merely carries aircraft but commands entire battle spaces. This evolution isn't just cosmetic or incremental, it's structural, strategic, and revolutionary. At the core of the 2026 update is a fully integrated combat and propulsion architecture powered by artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of human operators manually coordinating air wings or radar sweeps. In this future-ready version, every sensor, weapon system, and aircraft platform aboard the Abraham Lincoln is connected through a centralized combat cloud powered by quantum-encrypted AI nodes. The ship itself learns and adapts from every engagement, every drone flight, and every radar ping. This AI-driven nervous system allows the Abraham Lincoln to function as the digital brain of an entire carrier strike group. The flight deck now features second-generation electromagnetic catapults, EMALS-2, providing smoother, energy-efficient aircraft launches with reduced wear and tear. These systems can launch heavier drones and next-generation fighters with pinpoint timing and zero lag. The Advanced Arresting Gear, or AAGX, can recover aircraft during heavy sea conditions. The layout is optimized for stealth UCAVs on high-risk missions. The Abraham Lincoln is now envisioned as the command hub for swarms of unmanned aerial, surface, and underwater vehicles. These platforms feed real-time data into the carrier's battle network, enhancing decision speed and dominance at sea. Defensive upgrades include laser weapons, AI-targeted CIWS turrets, and the latest CRAM systems. The HELWACS laser instantly disables incoming missiles and drones. Combined with long-range SAMs, this carrier becomes a fortress at sea. Inside, the ship has been redesigned for modularity and efficiency. Living spaces, bridges, and war rooms use adaptive smart materials. Training happens via holographic AR systems, keeping crew combat ready in real time. The ship is powered by a compact, next-gen nuclear reactor designed for high efficiency and sustained power output. This allows lasers, railguns, and AI nodes to operate simultaneously while maintaining stealth and energy reserve. The carrier can conduct digital warfare offensives using a cyber command center. It can jam, spoof, or shut down hostile networks while staying invisible. The ship acts as a digital nucleus, linking allied assets across oceans and domains. Its air wing now includes upgraded F/A-18s, F-35C stealth fighters, and MQ-25 Stingray drones. The UCAVs are autonomous strike units capable of deep penetration missions, real-time surveillance, and electronic jamming. The ship's neural interface trials and biometric access systems push human-machine collaboration to new limits. Every sailor is linked to the ship's digital core. In an age of milliseconds, this speed decides who wins the war. As threats grow complex, the Abraham Lincoln 2026 is no longer a vessel, it's a sovereign battlespace. This floating ecosystem of automation, AI, and precision weaponry is a statement: the future of naval warfare will not just float, it will dominate. This is Navy Signal World, bringing you into the future of maritime supremacy.